The FLOTT STG PV electronic is a very powerful machine for drilling holes up to a diameter of approx. 5 mm in unalloyed structural steel and belongs to the classic format. The machine has an automatic and infinitely variable feed of the Z-axis. The optional transparent hood is a real eye-catcher. A maintenance-free 3-phase motor is installed as the drive. The speed can be infinitely adjusted using the control lever on the side. Depending on customer requirements, the machine is available with 2 different speed ranges and optional special equipment such as a chip breaking mode, a spindle stop function, and a skip switch. You can choose between 3 machining modes via the control panel. These are the conventional drilling mode, the automatic feed mode, and the tapping mode. In each mode, you can set the associated parameters separately depending on the machining task. With the drilling depth stop, you can easily and simply set the planned drilling depth and limit the maximum drilling depth. To do this, you move to the work shock surface and set the reference point. Then move to the desired drilling depth and fix the drilling depth stop here. A knurled wheel can also be used to fine-tune the drilling depth. The height of the robust machine table can be adjusted easily and precisely using a rack and pinion drive. To ensure optimum work safety, we install a drilling guard with electrical protection and an emergency stop button as standard. If you opt for the FLOTT STG PV electronic, we will grant you a full 3-year guarantee. Additional information and technical data can be found on our website. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us.